Well guys, welcome back. Doing another commentary right here of Barrie, Ontario Junk Run. So let's watch the intro together. But you know what, I'd really like to get a new intro. It's just, I don't know, I really do like this one. There's a lot of good memories. Like, I remember shaking his hand. That was a fan that was screaming to get my attention back when cameras were everywhere. So this is my Nissan Quest. Do you want to come with a Quest for me? Here we go. So if you guys notice, the whole front of this vehicle is removed. The reason for that is it's all plastic. And then the front hood overhung everything, and it felt like it was going to smash the coil packs off. So I just cut it off. So let's take a quick look at this. So I'm running my Killdozer wraps. Thank you to Oakville Blueprint and Design and Forge Graphics for these. Forge Graphics designed them and Oakville printed them and mailed them to me. Now, if you take a look at the front bumper, it's a replica 1976 Impala. And I really like it. If you guys have been checking out my TikToks and my YouTube shorts, you can see me building that. And that was purchased off of Archambault Derby Supply. I found it pretty cheap to buy Canadian in Canada compared to the US. It's the shipping that does the difference for us. And $1 American costs $1.38 Canadian, so it kind of makes sense for me to try to support Canadian. If you notice the front tires, those are dirt bike tires. I've been really enjoying running the dirt bike tires lately. So let's get the video going. Decided to build this Nissan Quest because I got a whole bunch of them. The next vehicle coming in is the vehicle that I knew was probably going to be the toughest one in the ring. This right here is Blair Micklejohn, great driver from the Camelfold area, and it's a Toyota Sienna. That van was ran at Bash for Cash and a couple other local shows around me. I know it's tough, and I knew that was going to be one of the toughest ones out there. So here's like a Buick Ranger. I don't know what the name of it is, but aluminum spindles, and it was pretty rotted. Next one coming in is a Jeep Liberty. If you guys don't know about these, they were 4 cylinders, all-wheel drive, but disable the all-wheel drive. They seem to be doing pretty good. This one coming in is a Jeep Nitro. Guys, don't let these little Jeeps fool you. They're extremely tough. Dodges are known for the back end. And this thing coming in, a monstrosity of a Colorado. I've seen it around quite a bit. I believe it's got like 9 runs on it. He's been having luck with it, I think. He hasn't been winning a lot, but he's been getting like top 2, top 3 with it. I think it's he's figuring them out. But so let's get the Derby started. So they line us all up in the middle. So I want to use this van as best as I can because I have cleaner ones at home. This one here was missing the back, like 6 inches of the frame rails. So it's not wanting to go. I have to take it out of drive and put it in low almost every time. It's very slippery, even with my dirt bike tires. You guys can see me spinning around. Brakes, he backed up and through door. I couldn't stop at all. Couldn't. It's so muddy. I'm foot to the floor, and I'm just spinning everywhere. The back end of this Nissan is very heavy. So I want to try using the back. I'm not really worried about the rear wheel drives. I know they're going to have traction issues. So they turn and put me driver door. I slide down and hit the Jersey barrier. This is a super muddy track. If you give me driver door, I can't stop. I just slid hit the door, went all the way out the track. Let's take another look at that. So ready? Brakes. You can see that passenger side front tire is not, sorry, the driver's side front tire is not turning. It's stopped. Hit them, and then went right over the wall. I slid that entire way. So they stop it. I thought they're DQing me, but turns out they wanted to fix the Jersey barriers. I was like, I can drive off. So I just drove off the barriers. They're gonna stand the block back up and the Derby goes. Here we go. got Blair into the wall there. You know, I have a nasty habit of trying to go after the tough competition. I should have just left Blair alone, to be honest. I'm moving pretty quick for what I am. There. That shot right there from the Colorado, folded that rim over, took the tire off the rim, and I'm pretty much done now. That's as fast as I could go in that Nissan. That's pathetic. As soon as I was done. The tire never really stayed on the rim. As of this point, I'm just a target. That's the downside to dirt bike tires. I don't know if you can actually double them or not. No real tire fits inside them. And wasn't doing super good. Blair's coming in for a kill shot, which is what he should have done. He did the exact right thing there. You seen I was going after him, so he wants to make sure that I'm out of it. He is doing what he needs to do to win, which is awesome. So, don't really make any more hits with the Nissan. I'm pretty much stuck in the mud. Tires just spinning on the rim. This is why doubles are super important. And I did choose the dirt bike tires over the doubles, thinking that it would work better for me because I've been having such a good experience with other cars. But unfortunately, did not work for this. Trying to just make hits to stay alive. But there was nothing I could do. Colorado got a good shot on me. He actually folded the rim flat, so the tire just fell off instantly. But unfortunately, that Nissan Quest survived, so we are going to be able to fix it and run it again. Sadly, I do have to fix it. I just can't scrap it. Oh. Wish I did better. I think I took dead last in this class, maybe second last. But sometimes you win them, sometimes you lose them. And that's half the thing about becoming a derby driver is you got to know how you doing. Like, realistically, I would have liked to do better, but you can't win them all. There's got to be losers at every event, and there's got to be winners at every event. And at this event, in this class, I was a loser. So, do you guys like the Nissan Quest? I've never seen a Quest Derby before this one, so make sure you guys tune in for the aftermath so you can see how it did and what we're going to be doing to fix it. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you back here later. Just X out of the video recording. We'll see you guys back here later on Zach's Workshop.